Hi, in this video we're going to talk about a really interesting element, in my opinion, called an IFrame. So it has an opening and closing tag, and so an IFrame is an interesting element. As you can see, we get this little frame here without putting anything inside it. That takes a source SRC property, and you can put a website address into it, and it will load the website sort of as a window within a window. This is really helpful in building certain applications because it allows us to take certain functionality that's pre-existing on other websites and have it and just sort of put it into another web page. Applications where you've seen this professionally are probably Gmail. Gmail uses lots of iframes as an example. Ads are very often iframes because they pull advertising data from one website and stick it in dynamically into another website. So you might have some JavaScript that constructs an iframe somewhere in the web page, for example. So that's pretty much it. You can do lots of things with an iframe. You can style them with CSS. But one thing to be aware about with iframes is they're often very often used rather inappropriately. So when you have too many iframes or iframes from websites that you can't really trust or that come from sources that the user has identified, it's very often a misuse of an iframe. Also, important thing to remember is some websites will just refuse to load. So if I put Google in here, Google does not want to load as an iframe. It's refusing to connect. Some websites aren't going to connect. You can usually connect within your own site if you have the settings set up for that. And so that's a good way to not have to rewrite functionality on multiple web pages. And there will be other sites that you can connect with, but for the most part, use iframes sparingly and for what they're supposed to be used for.